Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, treatment of Huntington's disease. Treatment of Huntington's disease, there can be drugs like phenothiazine, then haloperidol, benzodiazepines, or olanzapines can be used for the treatment of psychosis aspect of even quetiapine. Quetiapine can be used to treat the psychosis aspect of Huntington's disease. And for movement disorders or dyskinesias, the drug like tetrabenazine can be used for treating dyskinesias in Huntington's disease.
thank you and thank you for watching.